Hi, I'm Kaylee. Today we're gonna make Japanese gummy candies.
Now the trick to this is neither one of us reads Japanese, or speaks it for that matter. So we're gonna wing it on this and you'll get to see if we succeed or fail. So we're gonna carefully cut off the wrapper here and pull out what do we have. Okay. So we have
The colors.
cyan,
Oh, and a dropper.
magenta, and orange.
I love magenta.
We have a plastic tray with a star, a diamond, a heart, and a musical note. And they have lips around the inside
Look at this
in
one.
there. This one has our different little shapes in it. So, from what I've been reading online, the way to do this is to fill water in a certain order up in the different trays. So we're gonna carefully take our water and we're gonna follow our directions here. If you know Japanese, don't give us any hints. I mean, it'll be too late by the time you see this, but shh. Okay, are you ready for step one? So step one looks like we're going to go to the diamond tray and fill up to the line. So find the diamond tray right there, and we're gonna put in water. Okay, you have to squeeze it while it's in the water, and then open it while it's in the water. Don't pick it out of the water yet. There you go. Now there's water in there, and we're gonna put it right in there. And we're just gonna repeat that. And then we're gonna put the orange packet,
This is it.
that's the orange packet, into this diamond container. Good job. Oop.
It's all gone already.
Okay. And we're gonna stir that. Now we're going to fill the two with ears, and my little things don't quite match what's on there, but it looks like we're gonna fill these bottom three. So now we're gonna take our pipette, scoop some up, it's getting thick, and then fill in to the first line each of these. So sloop it up.
Mom, can I
Okay,
do?
and then squeeze it in just a little more in there. Just a little more in that one. Okay. Good job. So there's definitely a speed bit to this because this is not wanting to come out now. Take the star, fill it up to the line, and then put the blue packet in there. Okay. It looks like we put blue in the bottom of all of, or in the next layer of all of them. So we're gonna do this as fast as we can. Okay, now our next step is the heart and one filled up to the bottom line, and then the pink packet.
Give me the magenta packet.
The magenta packet, my bad. Okay. There are all these little dots in the bottom, and we're supposed to dot each of these little dots with a little bit of the red. These are kind of, they go in and then they just kind of go someplace. Let's see if I can put it down in there further. It's definitely heavier, denser than the blue, and so it's sinking to the bottom, but it doesn't want to stay where I'm putting it. Okay. This is definitely a tricky bit. It smells really good. It's like fruity, yummy. Okay, there's a little dog face down in this one. Ooh, no, that's not where you're supposed to be. Go there. Go. Well, I think I am about done attempting to do this. So there is my finished product. Kaylee is eating the leftovers, and we will put these in the refrigerator, which I think is what this is telling me. So there's a 2 here, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and then we'll see what we get in 2 hours.
We are back with our Japanese gummy candies. They didn't turn out very well.
I think maybe I put too much water in the blue because it is just liquid. It's tasty liquid, but it's just liquid. Now the red, there's little red dots, which are quite tasty.
Mm-hmm.
And
Or magenta dots.
oh. There's the yellow that was in the bottom, which is also quite tasty actually.
Yeah.
So, if anybody knows what we did wrong, then feel free to let us know. But it was a fun experiment, and I guess we will have to try again another time.
Thanks for playing with us. See you next time.